an impression on these face brushes. Sean Connery is doing this makeup tutorial. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today, sorry if you can hear my daughter in the background, but I am going to do a first impressions on Juvia's Place. And the palette I am using for the first impressions is the Masquerade by Juvia's. I wanted to use this because it had neutrals and colors, but when I was trying to pick out a look, I realized all the colors I'm using are all these. So I won't even be touching these. But I figured this was a good palette to use as a first impression because if you see the quality of the eyeshadows, I think you'll be able to determine if you guys like the way that they perform. I'm pretty positive the neutrals will also perform the same. Here is the Juvia's Place, the Masquerade. And I am also doing a first impression on the Juvia's Place 7-piece brush collection, and it has these eye brushes, but it also has some face brushes. This says it's a concealer brush. I did not apply my concealer with a brush. There we go. I just fixed my wrinkles. Alright, this one I will be showing you the colors, but I'll also be talking to you guys because it is a first impressions of the Juvia's Place eyeshadow formula. I am going, let's see, I'm going to start off with a blending brush. Ooh. These aren't very, like, fluffy. Hopefully these work good. If I have to bring in another brush, I will. But I am starting out with this color Bori, and it's this matte pink with glitter. Ooh, I got orange. Uh-oh. Hold on. Wow! That is beautiful. I mean, I don't know if it's this brush, but I feel like I'm not picking up as much pigment with this brush and like laying it down. Let me try one of, like, you know, a brush that I know works. So I'm gonna go in with this other eye to see if this brush works any better. Yeah, I think it was just that brush because they don't have a really super fluffy brush in that collection. So I'm just gonna go ahead and lay down all this pigment first with a fluffy brush. Alright, it did have glitter in it, but now that it's on my eyes, like I thought, that glitter just kind of disappeared. So I am using this brush to do the under eyes with, which works beautifully because it's a lot denser. Well, I look ridiculous right now. I think I am going to go into this Cairo color here, and I am just going to very ever so slightly blend these edges. Like I am barely touching it. I look like I have pink eye to the extreme. These seem to blend out really nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and start deepening up this outer corner now. I think I'm gonna try this brush right here, the JP007, and it says it's a pro blending brush. Alright, I am going in with Zobo. I'm not too sure about the blending capabilities of this, but the color itself is beautiful. Once again, I think it's just the brush that I'm using, so I'm gonna go in with a different brush and see, like, that blend looks really bad. I'm gonna have to fix that. I think I've blended them sufficiently. So now I'm going to go ahead and deepen up that outer corner even more. And I am going in with Makita. It's this really beautiful shimmery purple. Now this one I'm keeping real low. I don't want to bring this color up at all. Alright, so I am going to deepen up even a little bit more, maybe blend in some of this dark blue. And I am going in with, where is it? There it is, Chi. Alright, I am taking that purple, that dark purple again, and I am just swooping that real close to the lash line, like very close. Alright, so far that is looking really pretty, so now we are going to start with the fun stuff. Alright, I'm going to try this JP002 small definer brush. It looks like this. And I am going to go in with Dahlia, which is this really beautiful like cobalt blue. And I'm going to start coming in from this way and moving my way to the inner lid. Wow! Juvia's Place is not messing around. Oh, this is a beautiful color, and this brush is doing perfectly for this application. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. I'm actually gonna hug this against the entire lower lash line, like tighter than that purple. Ooh, this brush is perfect for that. It's so pretty. Like that. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. Alright, so now I'm going in with Molly. Alright, this is going to be the main lid color, and then I'm going to be putting that blue on the inner corner, but we're going to add a little something to the middle after we're done. It's going to look gorgeous. I am putting the color on, and then once I have the area I want filled, I'm just going to slightly start swooping it into that blue. I haven't even wet the brush. I'm just putting dry shimmers on top of each other, and it's starting to get textured on my lid here. The same green, I'm going to swoop right here. Just right there. That created this really pretty, like, aqua color there when it mixed with that blue. Alright, so now I'm going in with Zola. I didn't do a cut crease for this look. I'm kind of layering these over the purple that we already had down as a base. I'm going to line my eye with this Marcelle Electric Blue liner. And I know this looks weird because I only have half an eye done. And I'm going in with the Stila Minty Myth in their Little White Lies eyeshadow. And I am going to be putting this on as a topper only to the green. And I don't know how I want to do this. I think I want to try this with my finger, because well, let's do the inner corner first and then we'll see. And then I'm going to slowly bring this over. Okay, then I'm just going to start bringing this. Ooh, no. Oh, no. I don't know how to do that. We're going to have to go in with a different brush. Alright, I think that's enough. I mean, I don't want to go too overboard as I do more. Let me finish up this other eye, and then let me add in some lashes and mascara, and I'll be right back. Oh my gosh, you guys, I did a little extra blending, by the way. So I am trying out this JP001 tapered blending blush, and I'm just going in with the Burts Bees blush in Shy Pink. This is really pretty. This is perfect for precise application of blush. Oh my. Oh, that's beautiful. The only two I did not use were these, but I'm sure that I can find use for those later. I am going in with Dream Sequence. Holy crap, you guys. This is gorgeous. I'm going in with this color right here, and this is Counting Sheep, and I do have to use this color with my finger. It's not even focusing. Alright, do you see that? Look. You ready? Oh my god. Okay. So let me just dab this on with a finger. Alright, finally for the lip color, I am just going in with a really soft pink nude. I don't want this to be crazy, so we're just gonna do this, and it's done. And this is a teeny tiny little baby Bite Beauty, and it is in the color Sugarcane. So this one, I mean, I kind of just actually cleaned up the edges here with this one, just because it had a little bit of concealer left on it, and it worked really nicely. This isn't something that I think I would use really all that much, but it's a good thing to have. I don't have a brush that's like flat and gigantic like this. This brush is amazing. I even did the highlighter with this brush. This, yes, I love this one. All right, these ones are a little dense and not very fluffy, but they work beautifully for under your eye and for getting like right up in that crease when you don't want a lot of fluffiness happening out to blend out, you know, more on the upper part of your lid. And this one actually applied shadows very beautifully. It's flat and dense, and it's dirty. And I didn't use these two, but I can see this one also being like an all-over shading brush. I can see how that would work really well, so maybe I'll use that for another Juvia's Place tutorial. But that is all I have, and you guys, this is incredible. That is all that I have for this look. If you guys enjoyed it, then make sure to subscribe because I have a lot more Juvia's Place palettes. I have a total of 8, so they'll be like trickling through my channel as I get to them because they were all Christmas presents. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Erlen, shh. Berries. And the color, the color. Cairo color. Where'd you go? Erlen, it's a berry. Shh. Because I'm pretty positive an impression on these face brushes. Sean Connery is doing this makeup tutorial. They don't have a really super fluffy. Shh. Oh no, my heater's on. Alright. I just dropped that. I just dug my finger in this and dug a huge chunk out of it. Oh no, it's all over my pants.